Hello there, this is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I'm inside our listing at 103 Pool Street in the village of Arroyo Grande. This vintage home built in 1935 has some really unique features I'd like to show you. There are built-in nooks and crannies all throughout this house that you only find in vintage homes. Just check out this built-in secretary desk with all these compartments. I just love this vintage newel post, and look, it has a built-in light. Just imagine making your yummy meals in this cozy kitchen, and look, a built-in spice rack. Unique features abound in this vintage home at 103 Pool Street. There's one more feature I'd like to show you. A vintage Murphy bed. So if HGTV shows are your jam and you're looking for the perfect renovation to put your special touch on, 103 Pool Street is the home for you. Give us a call today and we'll be happy to show you 103 Pool Street in the village of Arroyo Grande. Once again, this is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team.